Here's a look at latest satellite and radar, and we've got barely a cloud in the sky. Once again, the first signs of some cumulus clouds developing are out in deep East Texas right now in parts of Houston, Trinity, and Angelina counties. We'll see these clouds gradually increase in coverage as we head into the afternoon, pretty similar to what we saw yesterday. Unfortunately, these clouds don't have very much vertical growth, and so without that, we're going to stay dry. Temperatures right now are sitting out in the upper 80s to low 90s, so we're heating up fast now that the sun is out and going. But when you factor in the humidity, it feels even hotter than that. It feels like 100 right now in Tyler and Mineola. Feels like 106 in Marshall. Feels like 102 in Lufkin, and it feels like 104 in Hemphill. These heat index values are actually a bit lower than yesterday because the dew point has dropped down by a degree or two, but it's still pretty warm and humid nonetheless. Now, the normal high temperature is 95 degrees, so we are starting to go down with our average high temperatures, and that will continue all the way through January when we reach the coolest part of the year, and then we'll go back up, of course. But the temperatures are not responding to the decrease in the average high. In fact, we only look to get hotter as we head into the weekend with a high of 101 expected on Sunday and on Monday. This is still a lot cooler, though, than some of the temperatures that we saw last August. Now, a slight change in the weather pattern is expected as we head into the day on Monday, and that's because we are going to have a cold front actually try to move through the area. Of course, it's technically a cold front, but unfortunately the air behind it is not going to be much cooler, but it will be a little bit less humid. And so we'll track this on Futurecast as it travels through East Texas starting late Sunday into early Monday. You can see Monday morning Futurecast tries to bring in a few showers. I don't think that will be the case because we don't have a lot of instability yet, but as we head into the afternoon, can't rule out a few showers and thunderstorms developing along the front itself. But as you can see, the showers will be few and far between out there. So don't really count on seeing the rain, but know that there is at least a 10% chance of seeing some rain for our day on Monday. By 5 p.m., the cold front is splitting the area. It tries to bring in a lot of showers and thunderstorms towards Monday evening and overnight, but I think it's unlikely that we'll see that much coverage. That what Futurecast showed. And then by 7 a.m. Tuesday, the front has pretty much cleared the area, and so we're going to have a little bit less humidity going into the middle part of the week next week, but it's still going to be about just as hot air temperature-wise because, again, cold fronts this time of the year typically don't bring in colder temperatures. They just bring a change in the wind direction and sometimes lower humidity. To recap the forecast, though, for today, we are going to top out in the upper 90s with the heat index ranging between 103 and 108 degrees during the afternoon. So remember to stay hydrated. Thankfully, we'll have a breeze for us from time to time. Winds out of the south at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And then for tonight, we are going to drop down to the upper 70s under mostly clear skies. Very warm for us. The average morning low is around 74 degrees, so we will be well above that here heading into your Friday morning. Taking a look at your 7-day forecast, we'll see that heat index top out around 110 as we head into the weekend, and there's that chance of a stray shower or thunderstorm on Monday as a backdoor cold front is set to move on through. That will lead to lower humidity Tuesday and Wednesday, which will lower the heat index, which is certainly good news, but it's still going to be pretty warm nonetheless with that high around 100 degrees. For deep East Texas, it's more of the same. Look for those high temperatures to be slowly climbing over the next few days with the heat index on Sunday, the hottest day, topping out around 112 degrees before lower humidity moves in as we head into early next week. For your latest weather forecast, you can head on over to our website. That is KETK.com.